Samsung's upcoming upgrade, One UI 9, might introduce a powerful security feature that could slightly impact your phone's speed. It's known as Memory Tagging Extension, and once you enable it, your Galaxy device may experience a minor performance dip. In this video, I'll break down what Memory Tagging Extension actually does, why Samsung is bringing it in, how to decide if you should switch it on, and the other One UI 9 leaks that truly matter. Security features often sound dull, but this one stands out because it targets hidden threats you never notice, apps interfering with memory in ways they aren't supposed to. Android Authority discovered code within Samsung's Autoblocker feature hinting that One UI 9 may include a memory tagging extension toggle. That same code also indicates it could affect performance. So today's goal is simple. You'll clearly understand what this feature does, where it might appear, and the best practical settings depending on your usage style. First, a quick refresher. Autoblocker arrived with One UI 6, and it's essentially Samsung's built-in protection system to stop suspicious activity. It focuses on three major areas: side-loaded apps, preventing unknown APK files from installing malware; harmful USB interactions, blocking unsafe cables or devices from interfering with your phone; and dangerous images or messages, helping defend against certain exploit-based attacks. Now, One UI 9 seems set to enhance Autoblocker with Memory Tagging Extension if Samsung releases what these findings suggest. So what exactly is Memory Tagging Extension, in simple terms? Think of your phone's memory as a massive set of organized drawers. Each app is meant to access only its own assigned space in specific ways. The issue is, many serious vulnerabilities occur when an app reads from the wrong location, writes where it shouldn't, or misuses memory dangerously. Memory Tagging Extension adds a security layer by tagging memory sections, allowing the system to detect unusual behavior instantly. Android Authority explains it well. If an app attempts to access data it shouldn't or interfere with another app's memory, this feature can catch it and stop it before it leads to unauthorized access, data damage, or a full-scale exploit. The key requirement here is hardware compatibility. Memory Tagging Extension relies on ARM v9 CPU architecture, meaning not every Galaxy device will benefit equally. Newer models with ARM v9 chips are the primary targets. Now, the big question: why would this slow things down? Because additional security checks create extra workload. Every time the system verifies and monitors memory tags, it adds background processing. Samsung's internal code reportedly warns that turning on Memory Tagging Extension may reduce performance. However, in real-world usage, the slowdown for most users should be minimal. Modern smartphones are powerful, and this level of protection is often worth a slight trade-off, especially when it helps prevent serious memory-based attacks. So, should you turn it on? Here's a quick guide. If you use your phone for banking, work profiles, two-factor authentication, crypto storage, or anything sensitive, enabling Memory Tagging Extension is a smart move as soon as it's available. The added security is the main benefit. If you're into heavy gaming and care about maximum performance, test it first. Turn it on, play your usual games, and monitor for lag, slower loading, or heating. If you notice a difference, you can decide whether to keep it enabled full-time, only while traveling, or when installing unknown apps. If you frequently install APKs or experiment with sideloading, combining Autoblocker with Memory Tagging Extension provides strong protection. If you're someone who tries new apps before official releases, you're also the type who benefits most from this added security layer. For context, Google already includes Memory Tagging Extension on the Pixel 8 via developer settings, and it's enabled by default under Advanced Protection. That's a strong signal this feature is becoming standard for high-security environments. Now let's move to two more One UI 9 leaks that are actually useful in daily life. First, smarter notification controls linked to Android 17. If implemented as described, this offers a better way to manage alerts without muting entire apps. The main concept is rule-based notifications tied to apps or even specific contacts. Instead of silencing WhatsApp entirely, you can mute just one noisy group or prioritize a specific person. The leaked options include 1. Silent delivery for less disturbance, 2. Complete blocking so notifications never appear, 3. Silent and grouped to keep things organized, 4. Highlight with visual priority. 5. Highlight with alerts for sound or vibration priority. If you balance work, social life, and multiple apps competing for attention, this feature could make an immediate difference. Second, Samsung Internet might receive a redesigned interface along with an Ask AI feature. Leaks mention 3 layout styles: standard, bottom-focused for easier one-hand use, and a compact mode with a floating search bar that appears and disappears while scrolling. That's useful, but the bigger highlight